Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. More good news. The doctor, and I'll come down here. Here's her channel name, Dr. Skov, who has a doctorate in space weather, I believe. She is reporting also that the solar flux index is going to be in the mid 70s. She says mid 70s. Now, this is what I say low 70s, but she says in the near future is going to be in the mid 70s, which would probably equate to good, no, not good, but fair shortwave reception compared to the poor shortwave reception we've been having. So check out her video. Her channel is her name right here. And I'll try to put a link in the description below this video to this particular video, about 2/3 through the video, when she talks about solar flux index and the effect on amateur radio and shortwave listening. I asked her about a year ago if she would touch on that, and she does, and I really appreciate it. She has very valuable information. Put her on your subscribe list and watch her shows, especially when she gets us good news about solar weather conditions. And she says there's two or three sunspots, which we want sunspots. We want lots of sunspots. That will improve the solar flux, which should improve shortwave listening. That's it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.